A new engine Dominic had arrived at Arsdale. He was very excited. Thomas was puffing along the line. He steamed and strained. He puffed and chuffed up to the front of the locomotive, but he come to realize it had no face in the front. "Bust my boiler," said Thomas. "Where's the face? Hello? Are you a real engine from Sodor?" giggled the engine. Thomas then reversed. "What? Who are you?" "The name's Dominic. I'm from Australia. I just came here from Brendam Docks." "Oh, why is your face in the middle of you?" "Because I have two sets of driving wheels, one in the front and one in the back. It makes me go around tight turns." Thomas was very proud. "Wow, that's amazing," said Thomas. "I'm very glad you're here." "Oh, well, goodbye," said Thomas. Hello everybody, this is Kyle back in, and today this is Dominic the Garratt locomotive. He's a 8060 locomotive. His face is where his boiler is, which is in the middle, instead of in the front. But he can still see through on the line. This part here is his tender and it's powered, but it rolls in reverse, reversing the polarity of the battery. The front boiler piece rolls forward, like in any other standard Trackmaster engine. Let's see how Dominic does on the line. I thank you all for watching this video. Leave a like, leave a comment, and thank you for learning about Dominic. This was a very fun engine to build. It took me a while, and thanks for watching.